All right, I'm going to take a quick minute to show you guys how to record using your SmartNotebook app. The first thing that you need is to make sure you have a webcam or a microphone connected that will record your volume. The next thing you need is the Smart Recorder, and if you look up here in your toolbar, there's not the little camcorder icon, so you need to go get that. So you go to View, Toolbar Options, Customize, and you scroll down and you see, oh, there he is, the Smart Recorder. Click and drag him right up to your toolbar. Once you have him planted there, he stays there permanently and he'll be there the next time you open up the app. Do a test recording before you go into your real recording. So you go, oh yep, test, 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 and then play it back to make sure that your volume is correct, the display is correct. It'll save a lot of heartache before you get started. The last thing you do is you upload your video to YouTube to get a link that you can insert. And for me, it's pretty simple. If you go, I have a school YouTube channel. You just go to Create, boop, upload your video, select it from your options. I always save my video to my desktop and then organize it later. But once you do that, you can then go, and once it's created, you can go pull the link, and it copies right to the, and you can go right and paste it into your Google Classroom, or you can add it as a link and share it. All right, and that's how you use the SmartNotebook app to record your screen. All right, thank you very much.